Among the many features now available, you can directly share an Instagram Reel as a post on X. Open the Instagram app and find the reel you want to share. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. It's also recommended to have the latest X app installed and be logged into your account for an easier process. Under the reel, click on the envelope icon, and in the options at the bottom, find the X platform logo. Click on X. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose between just once or always. Select just once if you only want to share this reel as a post on X for now. Next, decide whether you want to share it as a post on X or via direct messages. Select Post. It's recommended to select just once if you only want to share this one time. You can always repeat the process later. The link will be added, along with your Instagram username. Add a title and any other desired elements to your post. This is now the standard process for sharing a post on the X platform. I'll show you how it looks after publishing. Clicking on the post opens the Instagram Reel. This makes it easy for your X audience to view and engage with your content directly on Instagram. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.